Ant baits work slowly because they depend on worker ants to transfer poisoned food through the colony until it reaches the brood and queen. Worker ants forage, take the bait, and carry it back to the nest, where they feed larvae and the queen through trophallaxis, which is the mouth-to-mouth or regurgitated feeding process. Use a bait that matches the species preference. Sugar baits attract sweet-feeding ants, while protein or grease baits attract meat and grease feeders. Place small amounts of bait along active trails and near entry points, but not directly on ant carcass piles, since that can deter foragers. Keep competing food sources sealed and clean, so ants prefer the bait. Even a tiny crumb left in the open can divert them. Replace baits only when they are consumed or contaminated to maintain attractiveness, and avoid switching formulations too quickly because workers need consistent exposure. Expect visible activity to continue for days or weeks because larvae metabolize the toxicant and then return processed food to the queen, so patience and routine monitoring are essential. Common mistakes include removing baits too quickly when ants are still present, which prevents enough workers from carrying the toxicant back to the brood and queen, so leave bait in place until activity stops for several days. Another issue is using the wrong bait type for the species, which means foragers ignore it, so observe whether ants prefer sweets or proteins and switch bait flavor accordingly. A third problem is placing baits in locations where moisture or household cleaners spoil the bait, or where pets and children can contaminate it. So use tamper-resistant stations or place baits in protected cracks and behind appliances. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors related to ant control and other home improvements, and we connect contractors with work opportunities in their area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share field experience, bait observations, and practical troubleshooting tips.